Want to achieve firmer, younger-looking skin naturally? You've come to the right place. In this video, we are revealing the powerful benefits of rice water, a simple yet effective home remedy that has been used for centuries to tighten skin, reduce fine lines, and boost your glow. Stay with us till the end to learn how to make rice water the right way and maximize its benefits for your skin. Rice water is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help improve skin elasticity, fight wrinkles, and leave your skin looking smooth and radiant. It has been a beauty secret in Asian skincare for centuries, and now it's time for you to try it. Here's what rice water can do for your skin. Tightens and firms loose skin naturally. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles over time. Deeply hydrates for a youthful glow. Soothes irritation and refreshes your skin. Sounds amazing, right? But how do you make it? Let's get started. Making rice water at home is super easy. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Take half a cup of rice, white or brown, and rinse it thoroughly to remove dirt and excess starch. Step 2. Add the rice to 2 cups of water and let it soak for 30 minutes. Stir occasionally. Step 3. Strain the water into a clean bowl. That's it. Your rice water is ready to use. Pro tip. For extra benefits, you can ferment the rice water by leaving it at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours before using it. Now that you have your rice water ready, here's the best way to use it for skin tightening. Method number 1. Toner. Dip a cotton pad into the rice water and gently apply it to your face. Let it absorb for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Method number 2. Face mask. Mix rice water with honey or aloe vera, apply evenly, and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing. Method number 3. Ice cube treatment. Freeze rice water into ice cubes and massage onto your skin for an instant tightening effect. Use rice water daily for the best results, and in just a few weeks, you'll notice firmer, glowing skin. And there you have it. A simple, natural, and budget-friendly way to tighten your skin and keep it youthful. Which rice water method will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful home remedies to keep your skin glowing and healthy. See you in the next video.